Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. This is a quick overview of the United States Liberty coins, and these are the proof versions of the coins. On the side here it says silver and half dollar. That would be the silver dollar and the non-silver half dollar. We have the box, and it comes with several papers, which is kind of cool. This is the half dollar specifications. This is the silver dollar specifications, and it comes with this here, and I'll give it a quick reading here. Dear Liberty coin owner, thank you for purchasing United States Liberty coins. In 1986, our greatest lady, the Statue of Liberty, will be 100 years old. To celebrate this great event, the United States Mint, by act of Congress, has produced United States Liberty coins. These precious commemoratives symbolize your continuing support of liberty, for part of the purchase price of each coin will be used to restore the Statue and Ellis Island, and to create an endowment for the future maintenance of these national monuments. Let's move this up there. Alrighty. All coins minted under the Act are legal tender of the United States and have been produced with specially prepared dies and blanks to assure the highest quality, brilliant luster, and magnificent detail. The gold coin honors and features the Statue of Liberty. The silver dollar features the statue as a beacon to immigrants and Ellis Island as a gateway to America. The half dollar coin commemorates the contributions of immigrants to our nation's heritage and achievements. Well, I do not have, unfortunately, the gold coin. It says, these are the first coins ever issued by the United States government depicting the Statue and Ellis Island. This is also the first time since 1929 that the United States has issued a $5 gold coin, which I do not have. You will be proud to pass these striking commemoratives on from generation to generation. Thank you for helping to keep liberty in mint condition. Sincerely, Donna Pope, Director of the United States Mint. So I assume these came in a set with the gold piece as well, $5 gold piece. But I don't have that here. But I do have these, so this is kind of hard to get out of here, but let me try to get it out and we'll take a look at the coins. Alrighty, so there's this velvet case which pops out of the box and has a really nice metallic seal, great seal. We open this up here. There are the proof coins. It says United States Liberty coins, 1886 through 1986. This is the obverse of the silver dollar. It says Ellis Island, Gateway to America. In God we trust. And has the S mint mark for San Francisco. Let me go ahead and take these out. Let's look at the dollar. Okay, so here's the dollar coin. And we can look at the specifications here. And down here it says the obverse, the Statue of Liberty silver dollar was created from the artist's feeling of majesty derived from the frontal view of the statue. And the reverse says Liberty's torch and the words of Emerald Lazarus's poem, The New Colossus, cited as the inspiration for the reverse. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. So here's the obverse. And the reverse. And the poem here is, give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. It says $1 with Liberty's torch. So I'll be doing an in-depth video on these coins along with the uncirculated version. This is the clad proof, so non-silver half dollar, and the specifications here say that the obverse focuses on the growing New York skyline at about 1913, with the statue's uplifting gesture welcoming an inbound liner. The scene is set against the sun rising in the east to convey the start of a different life in the New World. And the reverse, derived from a photograph of immigrants at Ellis Island waiting to go to New York. So there we are. I don't know if you can see the liner arriving. And this is the reverse with the immigrants on Ellis Island waiting to go to New York. So those are really pretty. It's not silver, which is unfortunate, but it's still a very pretty commemorative $50. So there you have it. Be sure and subscribe. Stay tuned for the in-depth video of these coins shortly. Thanks for watching.